In this video, I am going to teach you how to add a passkey to your Coinbase account for added security. Passkeys are a safer and more convenient way to sign in without needing a password. Stick around to make sure your crypto stays protected. Let's get started. First, click the menu settings or the three lines at the top left corner of your Coinbase app. This will open up your account navigation options. Then, tap Account and Settings from the list. This section lets you manage your login and security preferences. Next, choose Add Passkey from the available options. This feature allows you to use your fingerprint or face unlock for secure logins. After that, just click Continue to proceed with the setup. Coinbase will now guide you through enabling your device's passkey. Then, Coinbase will send a verification code to your registered email or phone number. Simply input the code and you can start adding your passkey right away. And that's how to add a passkey to your Coinbase account. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple guides. See you next time!